Next in for review is the LOCO Motion Pro E-scooter. Too big to unbox, but we're going to show you here what you get and what the box is going to look like and what you can expect inside the package. So let's get on and have a look some more. Next up, an overview of the LOCO Motion Pro scooter. So you've got your indicators here, which you'll see in a minute. You've got a bell, your brake, and you have got your throttle here, and of course you've got two grips. And up front here is the dashboard where you present your NFC key and it will turn on. Once it's on, you connect your app, press it there like so, and you can see it's connected to the bike. So in here you control your lights, which is up on front here. You've got your mode, pedestrian, eco, standard and sport, and you can cycle through those here by pressing there, as you can see, and you just press OK. You've got find your speed, you can set your speed as well, turn on and off. You've got your settings in there, which is for NFC and units. So units are your miles per hour or kilometers per hour. Back out of that, you've got your lock, your cruising, and your zero start. So that's basically it in the app and what you're going to get there. So for example, here in the app you can control your lights. You'll press here to turn on and off, or you can double press the power button on the unit itself there. So that's pretty much it there, nice and simple. And you go to find, you'll hear this beep like so. Up front you have got the full assembly. You've got your reflectors on both sides, you've got suspension on either side, which is pretty cool. Mud flap there, reflector here. Of course you can fold it in here for storage, and that's basically what it's going to look like there. You can see all the brake parts, pretty nice tires as well, and that's it. On to the back now, we'll move back. We've got your charging port in here. You can see you've got a really steady base there, your kickstand here, and here you've got the rear with a brushless motor. You've got your lights on here already. You've got another reflector here, and of course on the side you've got more. And if I just turn on the indicators, you'll see there that they are flashing there, and that's basically it. Simple and easy to use. So when you're all ready and set to go, this is what you're going to have here for your panel. You can see also here the indicator lights will come up left and right, and of course you've got the headlight in the front, which you double press to turn on and off, and you can switch through the modes again here like so, which is nice and handy, and then away you go. Next up a demo of what it looks like to go. It can go fast, so be careful. So that wraps it up. Really robust, comfortable e-scooter to ride from an Irish company. Nice lights, which are important, and reflectors. Excellent tyres, really grippy. Does get fast, so take it easy, but you've got really good brakes as well. You've got a bell there built in, a nice dashboard, good grips on handlebars, and overall generally a really nice e-scooter. Might be pricey for some, but they say you get what you pay for, and in this case you do, with good speed and good range as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, folks. Stay tuned for more.